Welcome to Electrodynamics 44th lecture. Energy and momentum of electromagnetic wave. This is for semester 3 Electrodynamics paper BSc Physics Main. Lecture number 44. Energy and momentum of electromagnetic wave. Let us see what are energy and momentum of electromagnetic wave. Relation between EV and C first we can see. The relation between electric field intensity and magnetic flux density vector and velocity of light. That relation, the relation between E, B and C, we can see first. The velocity of light wave, the velocity of light is C. The velocity of light is C and it is given by the equation C is equal to E by B. Velocity of light is C and it is given by the equation C is equal to E by B. E by B. It is also given by the equation. It is also given by the relation C is 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0. That is for vacuum. C is 1 by root of mu 0 by epsilon 0. The velocity of light is C. It is given by C is E by B, where E is the electric field vector and B is the magnetic field vector. And it is also given by C is 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0. Mu 0, you know, permeability of free space, and epsilon 0 permittivity of free space. And if you substitute the values and simplify, you get C is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. In other media, the velocity of light is V is equal to 1 by root of mu epsilon, where mu is the permeability of the medium and epsilon is the permittivity of the medium. Now we can see energy and momentum of electromagnetic wave, EM wave. The energy density or energy per unit volume. Energy density is energy per unit volume. Density, you know, density is always we consider for volume or area, unit area, etc. Energy density, that is energy per unit volume in a medium of electromagnetic wave in vacuum is given by U is equal to half epsilon 0 E square plus half mu 0 H square. The total energy per unit volume in vacuum for electromagnetic wave is given by U is equal to half epsilon 0 E square plus half mu 0 H square, where E is the electric field vector and H is the magnetic intensity vector, not the flux density. In the case of a plane wave, E by B is equal to C, that is B is equal to E by C. We put that value here. So B square is C square by C square, and that value we can write as B square is 1 by C square E square. That is B square is mu 0 epsilon 0. Where from we get mu 0 epsilon 0? You write in the right side margin. You see the right side margin. C is 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0. That is 1 by C square is mu 0 epsilon 0. So B square is mu 0 epsilon 0 E square. So B square by mu 0 equal to epsilon 0 E square. Again, that we convert into H field. We can write a magnetic energy in terms of H field or B field. So converting B into H by the relation B is mu 0 H, we get mu 0 H whole square by mu 0 is equal to epsilon 0 E square. Squaring and cancelling mu 0, 1 mu 0. Mu 0 H square is equal to epsilon 0 E square. Multiply both sides by half. Half mu 0 H square is equal to half epsilon 0 E square. The term in the left side is called magnetic energy per unit volume. Term in the right side is called electrical energy per unit volume. Or term in the left is called energy density due to magnetic field. Or term in the right is called energy density due to electric field. That is when light wave travels in a medium medium, medium here is vacuum. When light wave travels in a medium, the magnetic energy density is equal to, you can write as is equal to electrical energy density. When light wave travels in a medium, the magnetic energy density is equal to electrical energy density. ലൈറ്റ് ഒരു മീഡിയത്തിലൂടെ പോകുമ്പോൾ അവിടെയുള്ള മാഗ്നറ്റിക് എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റി ഹാഫ് മ്യൂ എച്ച് സ്ക്വയർ, അത് വാക്വം മീഡിയമാണ് കേട്ടോ. മറ്റു മീഡിയ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ മ്യൂ എന്ന് പറയണം, ഹാഫ് മ്യൂ എച്ച് സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് പറയണം. വാക്വത്തിലൂടെ ലൈറ്റ് വേവ് പോയാൽ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റിയും മാഗ്നറ്റിക് എനർജി ഡെൻസിറ്റിയും തുല്യമായിരിക്കും. അതായത് ഹാഫ് മ്യൂ എച്ച് സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഹാഫ് എപ്സിലോൺ 0 ഇ സ്ക്വയർ ആയിരിക്കും. ഇനി മൊമെന്റം ഡെൻസിറ്റി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് മൊമെന്റം ഡെൻസിറ്റി ഓഫ് ഇലക്ട്രോമാഗ്നറ്റിക് വേവ്. മൊമെന്റം ഡെൻസിറ്റി. So energy density we have seen, and next is momentum density of EM wave. It can be proved that the momentum density of electromagnetic wave is given by P, momentum P is equal to S by C, where S is the Poynting vector, S is equal to H. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ റിലേഷൻ പഠിക്കുക, നമ്മളതിൻ്റെ പ്രൂഫ് ഇവിടെ ഒഴിവാക്കുകയാണ്. മൊമെൻറ്റം എനർജി മൊമെൻറ്റം റിലേഷൻ നമുക്കറിയാമല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ എനർജിയിൽ നിന്ന് മൊമെൻറ്റത്തിലേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന റിലേഷൻ പിന്നെ പി ഈസ് എസ് ബൈ സി എന്നാണ്. എസ് ബൈ എനർജിയാണ്, സി വെലോസിറ്റിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എനർജി ബൈ വെലോസിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മൊമെൻ്റ് ആണല്ലോ. ഇപ്പോൾ എനർജി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹാഫ് എം ബി സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് പറയും. മൊമെൻ്റ് ആകുമ്പോൾ എം ബി എന്ന് പറയും. ഇപ്പോൾ എം ബി സ്ക്വയർ ബൈ വി എന്നുള്ള ഫോമാണത്. എം ബി സ്ക്വയർ ബൈ വി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എം ബി ആണല്ലോ, മൊമെൻ്റ് ആണല്ലോ. ആ സെൻസിൽ എടുക്കുകയാണ് നമ്മൾ. എസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എനർജി, ടോട്ടൽ എനർജി പെർ യൂണിറ്റ് വോളിയം ട്രാവലിംഗ് ഇൻ 1 second. So the momentum P can be proved to be equal to S by C, where S is a Poynting vector which is equal to H. And that is the relation between momentum P and the energy density per unit volume, that is Poynting vector. P is equal to S by C. So the question is, write an expression for energy and momentum of electromagnetic wave. Write an expression for energy and momentum of electromagnetic wave. Now we study another important term, which is intensity of electromagnetic wave. Intensity of EM wave. It is the product of the average energy density and the velocity of the wave. It is the product of the average energy density and velocity of the wave. Average energy we write as U expectation, U in to distorted bracket or greater less than psi. That is average value of energy value or energy density value. I is equal to U into V, U expectation. We can read as expectation value. Expectation U. Average value of U we write in to distorted bracket, to broken bracket, and that we read as expectation U. That is I is equal to expectation U into V. Average energy into velocity. Or in vacuum, we write intensity of wave as U expectation to C in vacuum. What is C? 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0. Therefore, I is equal to half epsilon 0 E square. That is average energy into 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0. And root epsilon 0 cancels. No, not cancels. 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0 we put as C. That is I is equal to half epsilon 0 E square C. And this can be proved to be equal to the average value of Poynting vector. This can be proved to be equal to the average of the Poynting vector. So average of the Poynting vector can be also written as half epsilon 0 E square C. Now we see one or two problems from this. Calculate the intensity of electromagnetic wave in vacuum given that E is equal to 7.74 volt per meter. ഇലക്ട്രോമാഗ്നറ്റിക് വേവിൻ്റെ ഇൻറ്റൻസിറ്റി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഫീൽഡ് വെക്ടറാണ് തരുന്നത്. അത് ഇ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 7.74 വോൾട്ട് പെർ മീറ്റർ എന്നാണ്. വി നോ ഇൻറ്റൻസിറ്റി ഐ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഹാഫ് സി എപ്സിലോൺ സ്ക്വയർ ഇ സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഹാഫ് എപ്സിലോൺ സ്ക്വയർ ഇ സ്ക്വയർ ഇൻറ്റു സി. The values we multiply here. That is half into c, 3 into 10 raised to 8 into epsilon 0, 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 into e square, 7.74 square. On calculation, we get the answer I is equal to 7.96 into 10 raised to minus 2 watt, capital W. Watt meter is to minus 2. That is the answer. Next question. If the magnitude of H in a plane wave is 1 ampere per meter, find the magnitude of E vector in free space. If the magnitude of H in a plane wave is 1 ampere per meter, find the magnitude of E vector in free space. E by B is equal to C, the velocity relation. Given H is equal to 1 ampere per meter. Therefore, B is equal to, and B we know, that is, in the question, magnitude of H is given. So, B we can find, mu0 H, that is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 1, H is 1 given, 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. That is E is equal to C into B. That is E is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 into 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. That is 376 volt per meter. Next question. It's a university question. Calculate the magnitude of the Ponius vector at the surface of sun given that the power radiated from the sun is 3.8 into 10 raised to 26 watt. Radius of sun is 7 into 10 raised to 8 meter. I shall read the question once again. Calculate the magnitude of the Ponius vector at the surface of sun given that the power radiated from the sun is 3.8 into 10 raised to 26 watt. Radius of sun is 7 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Ponius vector is equal to energy per second per meter square. That is definition. Energy per second per meter square. We have given power. Power is energy per second. So we can write Ponius vector as power per area. Ponius vector as power per area. That is S is equal to area, power by area. S is power by area. That is power is equal to, here given, it is given 3.8 into 10 raised to 26 watt. Area of the sun's disk. Sun in the area 4 pi r square. 4 pi into 7 into 10 raised to 8 square. Therefore, S is equal to power by area. 3.8 into 10 raised to 26 by 4 pi into 7 into 10 raised to 8 square. That is 6.1713 into 10 raised to 7 watt meter raised to minus 2. The answer is 6.1713 into 10 raised to 7 watt meter raised to minus 2. And that is all with the 44th lecture, and with one more class this chapter will be over. The electromagnetic views will be over with the next class. Then we have 2 more chapters to complete. Thank you very much.